Today I'm here in Arlington, Virginia. I am finally all set up for Overland Expo East 2021. We're expecting rain, hence the multiple tarps set up. I have one really big tarp that's under my tent and expands all the way here. The tire is sitting on it. So here's my setup for today. This mosquito netting is in place so that I can open the windows and not let any insects inside the car. I can also access the car from the back door, and if it rains, I won't be stepping into muddy grass. So start with my kitchen setup. I'm under a tarp, and you can see there are some yellow pool noodles up in there, and that's so when it rains, the water isn't going to pool and then spill out all at once. If you look really closely up there, you'd also see there's a light. This is a solar light I have attached inside the tent. The cable for it with the solar panel is extended out on the other side of the tent. I'll show you that when we get around there. So my kitchen setup, plates, cups, spoons, forks, knives, all these other things are included in this area. You see water pump. That's where I'll be getting water from, and it's going to be spilling into this container. I am about to make my lunch and the water is boiling. Rockpal's solar generator is here charging. There was a bit more sun earlier, and this is my first time really out with the Napier Sports SUV tent. It's connected to the SUV, and this is one door there. There's another door here, and over here there's a window. This is the solar panel that's connected to the light that is inside the tent, not the car. And as we come around here, you see it's all connected. I have reflectix in my back window, and there's another solar panel here charging another one of the lights. That at the moment the light is inside the car, but I will be taking it out later. SpongeBob is along for the ride today. So I'm going to back up and you see the full setup. I can access inside the car from the door, obviously. My bed is all set up in there, and you can see, I can see all the way through into the tent from here. You can't really see it, but it is there. There is a mesh screen that prevents insects from getting from the tent into the car. This nice thing I have here connects to my iPad. Well, the iPad goes in here, so I am able to watch the iPad. It's a nice thing that connects there. Okay. See, inside the tent, I have a table. I'll probably take it outside to eat. Since we're expecting rain, I have a boot tray, an umbrella, all ready to go. Fire extinguisher, because, well, you should always have one. Extra tarps are in the corner there. My potty in the corner here, because I am not trying to find a toilet in the middle of the night. Now see, you can see the screen. I'm touching the screen. See the screen? I'm gonna open the screen. And there we go. And look, see, look, we have a butterfly already. It's been in here a while. So I can enter the car and sleep from here. I chose to sleep in the car. I could have sleep out here in the tent, but I figure if it gets really cold at night, I'd rather be in there than out here. So here we have it. This is the setup for today. Extra supplies, empty bags of things, and that container is my safety container. It has everything that I need if something goes wrong. That goes everywhere with me. And oh, that ladder. It has been worth everything today. in terms of getting the tents erected, getting everything up. Didn't have to balance on things I should not be balancing on. The sun has been coming and going, and so the rock piles has been charging as the day goes by, and now I think it's time for me to make my lunch. This is a tour of the inside of my Honda Pilot setup for Overland Expo. See, this is where I'm sleeping. I have a open sleeping bag, a blanket, and probably like 2-inch thick mattress. It's pretty comfy. Right inside the door is my bag of clothes, and then my bag of electronics and other various electronics are all right next to me. In the third row window, there's reflectix on both sides. This blocks out the light as well as any shadows from inside at night. I'm probably going to make reflectix for the other second row windows so that when I'm in here at night and I turn the light on, you don't see shadows from outside. These curtains, I sew these curtains. There's Velcro strips here, Velcro strips here, Velcro strips up at the front, and Velcro strips holding the two panels together in the middle there. So I can roll them up if I need to drive, not far away around the campsite or something. So they're on both sides. These lights from Harbor Freight provide a lot of light. So you can get light from the bottom or light from the front. I have two of them, one on each side. And over here, well, obviously I have a pillow, and I can sit up fully. I'm gonna show, see, I am sitting up fully in the back here. Here I got this pretty cool thing that attaches to the headrest, and it fits the iPad. It can also disconnect from here and go on the end here and be in the middle of the two seats. Right now I just have it over on this side. The iPad sits right there and can be my TV. My Rockpal solar panel right now, it's cloudy outside, so it's not really charging much. I need to really get it powered up though. And the solar panel for the moment, since it's raining outside, or very cloudy and I'm expecting it to rain, is in my window. It's really not getting a lot of light. I have my yoga mat rolled up, trying to prop it up to keep it, in line with the glass. My front seat has my camera bag, and my telescope is in the bag over there as well. And really, that's about it. So that's the tour inside the car, and out there is where I get changed. I have my shoes. See, I have puppy pee-pee pads on the floor, so when I walk in I can put my boots and stuff on it. I don't know if you can see very well, but on the floor there are a couple IKEA boot mats, which is what the puppy pee-pee pads is replacing. But since there's a little bit of a leak in the tent and I don't want my stuff to get wet, I put my stuff on those so that none of my bags get wet. These bags have the gas for my food, pots and pans, and that green one in there is my Ryobi tool bag. So all in all, I have everything I need in there. My towel is hung up there drying. I also have a pull light there. At night I can just pull on the string and you could get some light in. And here we go. That's my setup here. So from a sleeping position, I can see out there, and I can open the windows on the tent if I wanted to let air in or see out.